Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video and here I'll be showing you what all I got from Nykaa. This is a mini Nykaa haul. Lockdown 2021 is going on, so I just thought that I'll share with you all whatever I've got. So hope you're doing well, and without further ado, let's get into the video and see that what I've got. Okay, so first of all, I would like to talk about this Clinique 100 Hours Moisture Surge. Earlier, it was only 72 hours hydrator. Now they have recently come up with this 100 hours one. The 72 hours one I have tried a lot. It's my go-to moisturizer. So I thought, why not, try this 100 hours one also. So let me show you how it looks from the inside. This is the packaging, cute pink packaging, and this is the smallest tub which I have got because I just wanted to try this one because I have tried lots and lots of the 72 hours one hydrators. I'll just show you that also. That I would like to show this also. I got this freebie from Nykaa with this 100 hours moisture surge. So basically this is lip hydro plump treatment. This is like a lip balm. I've never used it earlier. I'll just use it and let's see how it works. Okay, so this is the 72 hours hydrator. I have used tubs and tubs of this, so you can see there's a slight difference between both of them. The 100 hours one is dark pinkish, and the 72 hours one is more into transparent side. So this works great. Your skin looks plump and it really hydrates your skin for a day. You won't feel even at the end of the day you will feel that the product is there on your skin, on your face. So this is a really good product if you want your skin to look plump, hydrated from within. So this is one of my favorite moisturizers. Okay, so after this I got a few things from the Body Shop. So this is their strawberry body polish, and these both are their shower gels. So strawberry is one of my favorite flavors or smells, you can say, from the Body Shop. It's great. I have used a lot of these shower gels already. This is, I guess, my fourth or fifth bottle, and this scrub also I have used once before because it's a huge pack and it lasts you long. So I've got this again because in summers you love these fruity smell when you are taking bath or whatever. So yeah, see, there are a lot of beads also, strawberry seeds also, which help you in scrubbing. And when you use this as a body scrub, and then you take shower, your skin feels so hydrated, so plump and so fresh. So these are highly recommended if you really want that fresh feeling in summer. The Body Shop bath range is highly recommended. Okay, so I have heard a lot about these plum green tea range products, and since my skin is combination oily and acne prone, I really wanted to try this product. So I have ordered only the night gel as of now because during the day I anyway use the moisture surge. So let me show you how it looks. This is what the tub looks like, and this is completely gel based consistency. So I believe that it will work on my oily and acne prone skin. So let me use it, and then I'll surely let you guys know that how this works and should you go for it or not. So this is my first tub of this night gel. Let me try it on for a few days and let's see if it makes any difference in my skin. So these are the two products which I got from M Caffeine. Coffee is one of my favorite things. I cannot do without coffee. So when I saw this range, I was really excited to try it on because it says that there is coffee, which is one of the main ingredients in this. So I got this coffee body scrub, which is for normal to oily skin, and it is a pretty good quantity for the price. And yeah, I got this Choco body lotion. It says that it's deep moisturizing hydrating gel lotion, cocoa with caramel, and it smells amazing. Okay, so this was all for the skincare and bath and body products. I've got some of makeup also. I would like to show you that also. So yeah, let's go towards that. So these are the two eyeshadows I've got. I'm not a very eyeshadow person, but recently, I've got a thing for eyeshadows. I am really excited. I don't do much of makeup, but I'm trying to learn it myself. So I have just got this budget Maybelline palette and this eyeshadow stick from K Beauty. So let me just open it and show you guys how they both look. So this is what the K Beauty eyeshadow crayon looks like. It is very convenient for a beginner like me, because you just have to apply it like a lipstick or a lip crayon, whatever, and it's very convenient and very easy to use. Also, it's very pigmented and shimmery, so I love this product. Rest I would like to share with you once I have used it twice or thrice. Then only I'll share with you how exactly I feel about this product. So this is the Maybelline eyeshadow. When it came yesterday, I just tried out the glitter shade. That's why the golden shade looks a bit, that it is used. But this is a great palette. I really love the colors. I would really, like to practice and play with the eyeshadow shades this offers. This is a very, budget palette, but the pigmentation and the colors are great. Awesome. I really love it. Can't wait to use it. Then I've got this blusher from Miss Claire. I was looking for a red kind of blusher from quite a few days. I don't know if it's looking red in the camera or not, but this is a bright red shade. Let me open and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is how the blush looks like, and it's highly pigmented and great. I really love this shade. I really love how it looks on your cheeks. That's why I had ordered it. And yeah, I've only tried it once because yesterday only my package came, and I was really excited to try on whatever I had ordered. So I just tried it on my hand, a bit on my cheeks, and it looks amazing. So right now you guys must have seen that there's a lot of praise for white, gelato, green, purple eyeliners. So I have ordered the first one for me. For this I only have black basic kajals and liners, but for the first time I've ordered this Wet n Wild kajal pencil, which is white in color. So I'm really excited to try this on with those with that eyeshadow stick and eyeshadow palette which I've got. So let me just try and create some good eye look, and I would surely love to share it with you guys. Okay, then I got this strobe cream from MAC. This is my first ever MAC product. I have heard a lot about this cream. This is basically a highlighter, a cream highlighter you can say, or a moisturizing highlighter you can say. You basically apply it once you're done with once you apply a moisturizer. After you apply this, or you can mix it with your foundation also to get that glowing from within look. So this is my first tube, so I'm really excited to use it, and let's see how it works on me. Apart from that, I got a few lipsticks. Believe me, I had not shopped for lipstick for more than a year now because of COVID. We were not going anywhere, or even if we were going, we were always in our masks. So these also, just to let you know, these are my first MAC lipsticks and a Huda Beauty lipstick. I have a lot of lipsticks, but all of them are from drugstore brands like Nykaa, Maybelline, Lakme. So these are my high-end brand lipsticks you can say. So let me just open these and show you how they look. These these are the three shades which I have got from MAC. So this first one is called it's called Velvet Teddy, and it's a very nice nude shade. I am a lot into nude lipstick, nude makeup, so I really like this shade and I ordered it. The second one is the MAC, I guess MAC staple. They claim that it sells a lot in the market, and this is the MAC Ruby Woo, which is a bright red color. So apart from that, I got these two are the MAC. These two are from the MAC Mini range. So they had recently launched their mini range, and these two are from that. And this one is the big MAC lipstick. This is a pink shade because I love pink. I had ordered big one from the pink family. So this is how it looks like, and it's called You Wouldn't Get It. The shade name is You Wouldn't Get It. So it's a beautiful nudish pink shade. So let me try all these, and I'll surely let you know how they look, how they work, and if there's anything different from our simple drugstore lipsticks which are comparatively cheaper to these. So yeah, and I'll soon be putting down a video wherein I'll be showing you all my lipstick collection and the swatches of all the shades which I have. So yeah, please do watch that video also, and please like this video also and that video also. It will be dropping very soon. So lastly, I have this Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick. This is a liquid lip. Let me open it and show you. This is what it looks like. It is a brownish shade, and it's not completely matte. It's a demi matte finish. So I hope you guys can see. Yeah. So that's about it. In the shade Revolutionnaire. It's Revolutionnaire. Okay, so this was all for today's video. I'll try and link down the products in the description box, so that if you guys want to buy these, you can just go to that link and easily buy it from Nykaa. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you liked this mini haul. I am a lot into shopping, makeup shopping, clothes shopping, so I'll keep on sharing with you guys whatever I buy from Nykaa, Myntra, whatever website, and I'll keep sharing all these things with you guys. And I hope you liked today's video. This is my first ever YouTube video, and I hope you got to know a new product or something useful from this video. Hope to come with a lot of such videos in the future, and yeah, hope to stay connected. Please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such videos related to makeup, clothes, fashion, footwear, etc. Bye guys, take care.